Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MyPhone N23 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the apps. Now let's tap on Special App Access, which should be at the very bottom of this list. And now find Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see here, we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install the apps. And of course you can change it. Just tap on the app and then tap on the switcher on it. After getting back, you can see that Chrome, in my case, is right now allowed to install the apps. Of course, be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. So you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. The apps usually are not, the third-party apps are not verified by the developer. So be aware about that. And of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And as you can see right now, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.